Meaning of Holborn.
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 Holborn. Holborn is an area in the central part of London, England. The name Holborn comes from the Middle English words hole meaning hollow and bourne meaning brook or stream. The area was originally a river crossing point and gradually developed into a commercial and entertainment district. Today, Holborn is known for its bustling streets, historic landmarks like the British Museum, and its proximity to many of London's major transportation hubs. It is a popular destination for tourists and locals alike, with a vibrant mix of cultural attractions, shopping, nightlife, and dining options.